Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to do a power hour clean with me, which is where I take 1 hour and see how much stuff I can get clean. The bedroom is messy, the bathroom is messy, the kitchen, and the living room. So, yeah, let me just show you what everything's looking like and what we're working with. There's the kitchen, got clothes on the floor, stuff on the table, stuff over there. These are clean, thankfully, and so are the ones behind it. And this is all I have that's dirty. The living room is mostly just clothes need to be folded, and then I've got like a Mountain Dew bottle that needs to be tossed, and then this needs to be tossed. I've got some laundry. I at least want to do 1 load of laundry today. I need to get some of this cleared off. I think there's enough room in the fridge to get all those Dr. Peppers in the refrigerator so I can get rid of that box. This is my bird seed. And I left my fan on in the bedroom, but you can tell the bed needs to be made. Things need to be put away. Oh, and in the bathroom, there is dirty clothes and stuff on the floor. So, we got some messy cleaning to do today. Let's get to it.
To settle down, day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die.
Alright, bathroom is tidy, which makes me feel good. I really like these little baskets that I got. So cute. It makes me want to go thrifting more and more because I found these at a thrift store and they were only $1.75 each. And here's the bedroom. It's dark today because it's gloomy outside. I got my bed made. Then all the little tables are cleared off, which is good. Now we're going to move on to the laundry area.
The obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down.
Alright, this area is done. I've just left my basket there because it's still got another load in it. But I've got all weekend to finish up my laundry, so now we're going to move on to the kitchen. So I don't know about y'all, but I really like cleaning up all of the non-dirty dishes items. So I'm just going to go around here, pick up everything, because then by the time I'm done putting things where they belong, the kitchen is a lot more manageable, and then it doesn't seem like such a big task to do the dishes. That's just how I work. Oh, I'm going to plug this in. Out of all the out of all the wax melts I've used, I really do like the Better Homes and Garden ones, and I love that you can just go to Walmart and get them. So if you go to Walmart and buy your groceries and you have a wax warmer, try out the Better Homes and Gardens. They are really cheap and they put off a really good scent. I've tried the Yankee ones and I really don't smell them more than like the first day, but these do linger for a few days before you have to change it out. I know this looks silly, but y'all can see that it's like black right here. It's stuff that shoots out of the air conditioner, and I just like to vacuum it up instead of knocking it on the floor, because it's almost like that little black ball that you get on the end of a candle, and it causes a smear if you try to sweep it off and then vacuum the floor. So I'm just going to suck it up right here.
I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your but I can't hear the silence you describe. Don't be ashamed. We can't always leave this place and go where no one knows our names. Pack your bags. We never needed their permission to believe in ourselves. So come with me. We could spend the weekend doing everything they said we'd never do. In their universe, we're just causing trouble, but nothing can hurt us in our bubble. For better or worse, in an uphill struggle. No regrets and windows down, 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 down.
I realize I haven't talked to y'all in probably 5 minutes on this video. So now I just need to wipe the countertop and get the Dr. Pepper. And I also noticed we have some green tea in the fridge. And then we will move to the living room, which is probably the last room we're going to do today.
Forget about the others, let's escape the silence together. Just say the word. I don't know when we'll get there, but we're still young. In their universe, we're just causing trouble, but nothing can hurt us in our bubble. For better or worse, in an uphill struggle. No regrets and windows down, 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 down.
Alright, the kitchen is done. Here's a reminder of what we're working with in the living room.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean, say what you mean. And you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. The way you look at me is absent. It's like you're walking through a labyrinth. Just say what's going on. Don't waste your time being all alone. Say what you mean, say what you mean. And you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. Don't play me, cause you're pushing me away. Don't say to me that we'll talk another day, cause my phone
off.
is try to give me more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you.
I used to wake up without confidence till I woke up with you right by my side.
I hope y'all got some cleaning motivation from this video, and I will see you back here very soon for another one. Bye!
Turn my life upside down. Oh, your love has got me high. I never wanna say goodbye. It's like my world's on fire, like my world's on fire. This is where we're meant to be, singing to this melody. Oh, this melody.